Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI template which will be very helpful for you to write your research paper. So whenever you are completing your research paper, you may have some tables related to your research work. Either it may be a comparative table or it may be results representing your simulation or any prototype model. So if you want a theoretical explanation of that respective table, this template will be very helpful for you to explain the table. Not only for explanation, if you find a table across any reference papers, in order to explain that particular table, you can use this same template to get the explanation of the respective table. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI template for your research paper writing. So for that, first to go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution, so you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates. So you can just click on the option called LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, so you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates. So all these templates are especially designed for your research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called Explain the Table. You can just click on the option called Explain the Table. So here, this is the dashboard of the Explain the Table template, table content template. So in this, what I am going to do is, so I am having some random tables here. So this is the table X and table Y. So table X representing the control and system parameters of your simulation work, and then table Y represents the comparative analysis and performance parameters. So for example, if you want to get the explanation of the table, you can just copy the table and go to the respective table, explain the table template, and then just click on explain. So it will analyze the table very perfectly and it will give you a better explanation for you. So you can use the same explanation for your research paper also. So if you find it difficult in writing theoretical content for this kind of tables, so this template will generate theoretical content within seconds and you can use the same in your research paper. So here comes the table X. So here you can see this is the table X. Table X gives the explanation of the respective table. So in the same way, you can get the explanation from this particular table Y also. So you can copy this respective table Y. So and go to this same template. So just copy and paste the table Y and just click on the option called explain. After giving this explain options, automatically the table will that is AI template will analyze the respective table and it will provide perfect explanation for you. So this is how the explanation of the table is generated. So you can use the same in your research paper. So this is how you can make a explanation of the table. So in the same way, for example, if you come across any research paper, the research paper may comprises of table. So if you want explanation of the table, so here you can copy this and go to the respective AI template and paste here. So just click on explain. So this kind of analysis also you can make. So if you find a table which is related to your research work in any of the reference papers, so you can copy and paste the table in this respective template and get explanation in a perfect manner. A detailed explanation will be given by this respective template. So if you are struggling to write explanation for tables, so don't worry, this template will be a better option and better solution for you to write a academically strong theoretical content for the respective table. So you can make use of this option. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, you can just click on plans and pricing. So the basic plan at just 199, you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month and you can get one plagiarism plus AI report per plan. And also you can get unlimited access for all your LMS AI templates. So the next one is 999. You can access our LMS AI tool for 1 year and you can get 12 plagiarism and AI report per plan. And also you can access course on demand videos. An important thing is that you can have unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 year. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.